awake, reaching for yesterday. Up, washing the sleep away. My mind full of the games you play all the time. I roll up a cigarette, sit down, trying hard to forget your face when you turned and left me again. It's not a game seeing your face on the wall when it's only in a frame. It's not the same sleeping without you at night, not knowing if I will again. Magic mirror shines, memories of yesterday. You wouldn't go and you couldn't stay, deceitfully blind to you wanting your way. Where will you go? Where will you stay? Where will you stay? You wouldn't say, you wouldn't say. You've gone away. Can't help feeling sad, but then I'm glad you realize your heart aches today. I see your eyes. Yes, the eyes that used to shine with secret tears. You know you always used to cry. I'll wait for tomorrow. Yes, I'll wait for tomorrow. Haven't I told you? Just wanna hold you. You know that yesterday you took my smallest part so carelessly away. Have all your memories gone suddenly to sleep? Head, the empty bed, the empty bed. And now there is another day, but where are you? What can I do? Once said, how is this to rescue your love? Such a feeling left along with your case. It's such a fight, 'cause every window I pass keeps reflecting visions of your face. Like a spider's web, weaving me round and round again. Will it let go? Can I clear my head? There's 1,000 things, not only the empty bed. Why did you go? Was it something I said? Let me clear my head. Was I misled? I wish I was dead. You've gone away. Can't help feeling sad, but then I'm glad you realize your heart aches today. I see your eyes. Yes, the eyes that used to shine with secret tears. You know you always used to cry. I'll wait for tomorrow. Yes, I'll wait for tomorrow. Haven't I told you? Just wanna hold you. You know that yesterday you took my smallest part so carelessly away. Have all your memories gone suddenly to sleep? Head, the empty bed, the empty bed. And now that you have gone away, where are you? What can I do? My cigarette's gone out. It's late, no one's about. Guess I'll try, put you right out of my mind.